In this video, I'm going to show you how to unzip a file on your Android phone. So you can see right here on my screen, I have this zip file that I've just downloaded as an example from this website. Now to go and unzip this, we first need to head over to the Play Store, click on the search box, and then go and type in RAR and then press search. You'll then see this application called RAR, go and click on this, and then go and click on the blue install button and just give this a few seconds while it installs to your device. You can then click on the blue open button, click on the checkbox next to allow permission, then come back over to the previous window and click on allow. You'll then get this pop up, just press dismiss. And now we need to go and locate where our WinRAR file is saved to on our phone. So mine's in this downloaded folder here, and here's my zip file that I've already downloaded. Now to go and unzip this, we just need to hold down on the file and then you can press extract here. Now once it's been extracted, you can see the file at the bottom of this list. And if I go and head over to the files on my phone, if I now click on my downloads, you can see here is the extracted file that we just unzipped.